Okay guys, so like we have told you before that we will show you some birds that we can have as pets. Okay, so this is Canary's birds. Look at them, so small and cute and colorful. Oh, it's drinking. Oh. Yeah, so these are canaries. Ooh, look at the wings. It spread the wings when it's flying. Ooh. Can you hear the sounds? Tweeting. Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, so cute. So like you can see, Canary's birds has different colors. Some of them yellow, green, and white. And this one, look at that, it's brown feathers. So there are many kinds of Canary's birds. And then they eat corn or seeds. My friends sometimes give them apples, but only sometimes. And then they eat boiled egg too. Okay, now this one is kacher bird. So kacher bird, it's like to tweet, and it has special color, black and white. Usually most of them are black and white, and they like to eat little insects, or sometimes they eat fruits also, and worms, small worms. And this one is sooty-headed bulbul. So it's one of bulbul family, and it's a species of songbird, like the name songbird. So I think they like to sing. Can you hear that? Singing bird. And this kind of birds, they like to eat fruits and also small insects like crickets. And this one is starling, and this starling is pretty smart because they can imitate some voices they hear, but we have to train them so they can imitate. And they like to eat fruit and some vegetables, and also they eat crickets and small worms. And this one is cucak belong. I don't know in English. I was looking for it, but I cannot find it. Just like the other birds, it's like to eat seeds and fruits also, and some vegetables, and it likes to eat small insects, or like crickets and kind like that. And it likes to sing too, tweeting. And it's all kind of birds that I can show you, and those birds are allowed to be pet. It is so good to hear the birds tweeting like this. I like to hear their singing. So cute. Look at the feather, the wings, the beak. Yeah, that's the characteristic of birds, right? Oh, it's flying. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. If you have birds as pet, you can share to us about that. Okay, so have fun with the birds, enjoy the birds, sweet. Bye bye. Bye bye birds, see you again.